In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams in an easy and effective way. If you're just starting out with this powerful communication tool, don't worry, we'll guide you through all the basic features to ensure you feel confident navigating its platform. First things first, let's get started with downloading Microsoft Teams. You can grab it from teams.microsoft.com or head directly to your respective app store if you're on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. Once you have it installed, use your Microsoft account to sign in. You could use your work, school, or personal account. Now that we've got access, let's take a look around. Upon opening Microsoft Teams, you'll notice the left sidebar, which is your central hub for navigation. There's the activity section where you receive notifications about interactions like mentions or reactions. Next, we have Chat, your go-to for one-on-one and group conversations. Here you can send text messages, emojis, GIFs, or even files. You can also start a video or audio call directly within a chat window using the icons provided. It's a straightforward way to stay connected with your colleagues or friends. Moving down the sidebar, you'll find the Teams section, which serves as the main space for team collaboration. You can either join an existing team or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, you have options to create teams that can be organized into channels. Think of channels like folders that are dedicated to specific topics or projects. There's always a general channel for overall conversations, but you can add custom channels as needed for particular projects or departments, ensuring everything stays organized and on track. Next, let's talk about scheduling and attending meetings. Navigate to the Calendar tab. This tab integrates seamlessly with Outlook and lets you plan meetings with ease. Select the option to create a new meeting, and then include a title, the participants, and the date and time. Once you click Send, your invitees will automatically receive an email invitation. During meetings, you have various options at your disposal. Turn your camera or microphone on or off, share your screen, share files, and even choose to record the session if that feature is enabled. These tools allow for a comprehensive and interactive meeting environment. Finally, let's not forget about calls. This section is dedicated to making voice and video calls. Yet another powerful feature of Microsoft Teams that makes communication seamless and efficient. Now that you've seen the essentials of Microsoft Teams, you're well on your way to mastering this versatile tool. Embrace its features, and you'll undoubtedly enhance your team collaboration and communication. Thanks for joining us, and happy teaming.